Alrighty gang, we are on a field trip today, so let's just get started. Well, hey, look where we are. Wonder what we could be getting here. Yeah, we're gonna wander inside and see if our stuff is ready to get picked up. Alrighty, we're back from our shopping spree, and went out and bought a new toolbox. I've been looking at it for quite a while, and things finally lined up, and here it is. So let's grab Bob and get it out of the back of the pickup and up to the garage. Well, we're supposed to get a bunch of snow. I guess we'll see what happens here in the next 24 hours, but at least we can step into the shop, which is still not insulated or heated or have a floor. But at least we have Bob. Got our forks, we'll get those. Let's see what we can do. Yep, it's gonna get loud. A little quieter out here. We've got to bring the two forks together and get her out. There we go. Let's see if I can do this without knocking you over, not breaking the toolbox. All right, we got that. I gotta spread the forks. I gotta go put the pickup back in the shop and get it up to the garage. Alrighty, we've got all of our toys put away. I'm gonna run back up to the garage, and actually I have a family date night, so I'm gonna get cleaned up. And after that, I will come back. We will unbox this new little goodie and figure out what we're gonna do with it. So we'll see you like this. Well, we are back. Went and had a good supper with the family, had a perfect margarita. So we're doing good. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. I know there have been a lot of other people on YouTube that have been showcasing these things, and well, I guess so am I. I've got a handful of their other Series 2 toolboxes. 1, 2, 3, there's a bunch around here. But I wanted to go a little oversized for what I need today, so I'm not running into an issue where I'm full in 2 months of tools. And I have more stuff going in here. I'll get into that. But Let's see if we can get this off. Probably not because, well, ow. Okay, I must put in too much effort into this. So we're just gonna cut it. Hey, what do you know? I opened it on the right side. All right, so first of all, this thing is on a big old wooden pallet. Pardon me. So that's awesome. Packaging, excellent. Usually get things, corners are dinged up. No, this is actually packaged up quite well. There is a, somewhere, is it locked? It's probably locked. Yep. There we go. One of these drawers has a shelf. Look at that. Ramp, sorry. To get this thing off of the pallet. Which I think is pretty awesome. There's a power cord in here. This does have a outlet in here. Down here, I believe. Somewhere. There's more parts. Oh, here it is. A outlet in here with USB A and C charging for other accessories. A big power tool drawer here. Yeah, I'm excited about this if you can tell. So, got a ramp. It's a foam center, and then these two guys here come off, and it should roll off of the end of the pallet. So, let me get a hammer or a crowbar, because I can't just lift it up and over. Alright, let's see if I can get this off without much assistance. There is a handle that goes on over here. Maybe I'll try and put that on quickly. Wherever it is. All of my keys, which, you know, I don't think I'll ever lock it. Power cord, but I thought I should have a handle here somewhere. Aha! Alrighty, let's go ahead and throw our handle on here. A couple of longer 5mm Allen heads, and that should get us in. Now I should be able to move this thing a little bit so I can get this foam center out. There we go. And just slide her off. Brakes are on. Wow. That's not very nice. Well, right off the bat, it sure rolls nice. So the big question is, yeah, nice. So we've got ball bearing roller drawers, plenty of space. I think that's something like 25,000 cubic inches of space. It holds 4,400 pounds. That seems like a lot. Yeah, 23,500 cubic inches of storage space, 4,400 pound capacity. Almost, yeah, that's 2 tons and a little more of stuff you can put in here. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't want to be rolling around 4,400 pounds of tools. Because you know, it's got to go downhill and back uphill. But it sure seems strong and sturdy. Now, what are we going to put in this? Let's go over here and look. This. Well, at least this is the start. I'm going to take and put all my metalworking tools in this Series 3 unit. I have metal tools in here. I have stuff on that workbench. I have stuff under the workbench. I have another rolling cart of stuff over here in the corner. A handful of other tools scattered about the garage, in the shop. And actually my uncle is going to be passing on to me a good number of metalworking tools, some old hammers and dollies that he's used in his hot rod years. Pass those down to me. So I'm going to have plenty of space for all of this stuff to go in. And yeah. So I'm going to go start shuffling stuff around, organizing it. You're not going to want to be bored with that. Heck, this is probably boring for you anyways. But in the event that you do like tools and tool-related stuff, here we are. So let me go ahead and get this thing starting to be organized and stuffed full of that stuff and anything else I find here. And we will see what it looks like when it gets filled up.
1 hour later.
Well, we've got a pretty good start so far, and this is all going to kind of be fluid as I get more tools in here and figure out where I want everything. But kind of started with some of the bigger power tools down here. My palm sander, the SCT, a couple drills, my sheet metal nibbler shears. I just chucked my panel bond down here for now because it fits. Pretty much an open drawer. I'm assuming most of the tools from my uncle are going to end up in here and possibly in here. A bunch of hammers and dollies. Over here, this is still empty except for my main hammer and dolly set. I've got more down in the shop, which I have to go get. So this may be more of a kit type drawer of stuff. I have not yet put anything in the drawer with the power and the chargers. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put in here yet because mainly this is going to be sort of mobile. I've got the cord for it, so possibly I will end up picking up you know, 1 or 2 of the Bauer or the Hercules. Probably the Bauer because I've got some other stuff already that's Bauer for cordless tools to keep with this. I could use another cutoff wheel, those angle grinder. I'll look up sales coming up, maybe pick up one of those. They usually have a sale for you buy a battery and charger, you get a tool type of combo. So that'd be great to keep in here. Also in here, got a lot of hand tools, all of my air tools over here in bits, and I've tried to keep all of my cutoff wheels and whatever with the associated tools versus in this other cart where it was just kind of all plunked in one spot. I've got my wheel well tool here, contour tool, spot weld tools, and then up here, probably the most used drawer is going to be all of my different angle grinders for different uses. My flap wheel, my zip off, whatever you want to call these things, strip disc, empty one. This should have, oh yeah, a little cutoff wheel, wire wheel, and then this fun little sander. I had a dead grinder, which had a grinding wheel on it, but I don't use that a whole lot. It's going to be the cutoff wheels mostly. And again, all the associated wheels in this drawer as well. I have all of my Clecos and all of those supplies over here in the box, and then just a random box for Sharpies, air chucks, wrenches for these, and the bits for my air chisels over there. I pulled that from the other cart, and I've got a pair of chisels over here, and then of course my 6-inch DA air sander. So for now, this is going to be a good start. Not going to be a huge video, but just kind of excited to add A, more storage to the shop, and B, organization and knowing where stuff is. For me, having a mess and stuff scattered is just a brain thing, and I can't work. If it gets to be too much of a disaster, I have to stop, tear everything apart, clean everything, organize it. That's just how I work. I can't function in disorganization. So having the shop with a dirt floor and stuff being a mess really bothers me. But I digress. We have our cart over here, if I can grab you quickly, with all of my other supplies on it. My cart of paint supplies, all of my other similar stuff here. Of course, with stuff on it, so that's already bothering me. Cameras, phones, yeah. I need to leave these things open so I don't collect stuff. But I cleaned and found other things that don't belong, so I can at least put them away. So this cart here I picked up in January is for all of my kind of body work, prep work, sanding, paint guns, filler, supplies down here, plastic, mask, paint spray out cards, just a handful of stuff so I can kind of compartmentalize and more like silo all of my tools into different carts. So we've got the blue cart, the white cart, and we've got the red cart in the shop. If you can kind of see a theme happening here. So for right now, I'm gonna cut this one off. It is late. It's time for bed, and we've got more stuff to do. So if you would mind, hit the like and subscribe button below. We are doing our Super Clean giveaway until Memorial Day weekend. So if you like the video and comment on it, you will be entered to win a good pile of Super Clean goodies. And again, every video you like and watch, you will get an entry for. So the more you like and comment, the more opportunities you've got for some awesome Super Clean gear. Thanks for watching this video, and keep wrenching on whatever you're doing, and hope you stay organized. See you soon. Bye-bye.